This is Gladys. She's our resident bird. And she eats out of your hand eventually. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. She's playing coy now because she sees the camera's on.
She's grandstanding.
She's grandstanding, kitchen sinking. Come on, Gladys.
She's stonewalling us.
Come on, you know you want that big piece of cracker. There you go. Right out of Mike's hand. She loves crackers. These are Keebler brand club crackers. She's being coy. Come on, Gladys. Oh, Mike. There she goes. She's our resident terrace crumb cleaner.
These are too big for her.
Yeah.
She's gonna move in next.
She's gonna show up on the terrace at Harmon Cove. This is not the Gladys imposter. This is Gladys.
This is her turf. You've seen her fight many times.